Welcome to grade 12 civics unit 1. Baga nagaan kara barnoota civics kutaa 12ffaa nagaan dhuftan. So share subscribe gochuu hin dagatinaa jecha. Mee barnoota civics kutaa 12ffaa kana unit tokkoffaa review answer yookaan review question kitaaba kasan jirtu deebisuu yaallaa jechuudha. So kanaafuu akka dhumatti akka nu hordoftan isin afeerra jechuudha. Okay, grade 12 civics unit 1 review answer. So answer to unit review exercise. Let us start with part 1. Multiple choice. Number 1. Which one of the following statement is correct? A. Constitutionalism has existed ever since state come into existence. B. Rule of man and rule of law are concepts that express similar things. C. A democratic system makes every citizen equal. D. A democratic system creates equal opportunity for citizens. So among these four alternative choices, the correct answer is D. A democratic system creates equal opportunity for all citizens. Okay, the second question is, which one of the following country has combined parliamentary and presidential democracy? A. USA. B. France. C. UK. D. South Africa. Answer. The correct answer is what? B. The correct answer is B. France is a parliamentary and presidential democracy. Karena juga France dah cuma rumah France itu sihir kena demokrasi kena gegesi juga. Sadafa. In the third question, in which of the following system do checks and balance work better? A. Parliamentary democracy. B. Presidential democracy. C. The hybrid of two. D. All. So the correct answer is all. Hunda taachudha checks and balance kan gaggeessu bakka itti gaggeeffamu bakka kana hunda kan keessatti jechuudha kan barbaachisu jechuudha. So kanaafuu haala kanaan deebisuu yaaluu isin barbaachisa jechuudha. Okay, number 4. Gaaffii afurfaatana salaalume. When the president of a democratic country has the power to veto bills from parliament, the system refers to dash. A. Presidential democracy. B. Combined presidential and parliamentary democracy. C. Parliamentary democracy. D. All. So among these, the correct answer is A. Presidential democracy is referring to these components. Okay, the other option, the other question. Look at the 5th question. Which one of the following is not true of democracy? A. Rule of law. B. Legitimate power and authority. C. Rule of man. D. Free and fair election. So among these four alternative choices, the correct answer is C, because it is a negative question. Lal caption afantun negative qabdi mure not true ja negative tanafu ta negative taati itti barbaadetta sanafu kan dugula wanti burasin tay malti rule of man intawaju rule of man intawaju yero kono mo hundisa garti lal gaafin negative ami inni kono mo kun positive kunis negative kunis positive jubaan kunis caan kono mo negative dan kunis positive acu sirri acu kasirrin tani mo rule of man ka jaw kana acu demokrasi ka rule of man ni jif Okay, part number 2, matching. May filannoo from si kana lalo. Column number A, column B. Look, number 1, authority and power. So correct answer to what? E, legitimate or illegitimate. Kana ta'a presidential democracy. Malta dita USA. USA sadaffaan kun immoo paying tax. Malta citizens obligation dirqama lammiiwwaniiti akka. Okay. Number 4, protecting the country and its people. Look, C, government responsibility. Number 5, Ethiopia. B, federal administration. So haala kana matching dhuftes dalagu isin barbaachisaa jechuudha. Akka karaa asirratti hirtuu isin dalagamaa jirti jechuudha. Okay, part 3. Mee part 3 kana ilaallu short answer dha. Number 1, explain parliamentary democracy. Look at the answer carefully. A parliamentary democracy is a system where power resides in the parliament, which elects the heads of executive organ of the government. Look at the answer carefully, please. Okay, number 2. What are the conditions for a government to have legitimate power and authority? Look at the answer. The legitimate and power of government is from the consent of the people. Okay, question number 3. What do you understand by economic diplomacy? Look at the answer, please. Economic diplomacy is a type of diplomacy where a country tries to attract foreign investors to accelerate its development. Okay, question number 4. What difference do you observe between parliamentary and presidential democracy? A. Look at the answer. In presidential democracy, the executive, as opposed to the parliamentary system, is elected by public. Okay, this is the end of our today's lesson. Until next lesson, goodbye.